The top 5 best driveway crack fillers for concrete and large cracks. Recommendation number 1. Sikaflex Self-Leveling Sealant 10.1 FL. Oz cartridge. Whether it's a small crack or a wide gap, Sikaflex Self-Leveling Sealant is up to the task. This product can fill gaps up to 1/2 inches wide on such horizontal surfaces as floors, walkways, and patios with ease. Once fully cured, it remains flexible as well as entirely submersible, making it suitable for pool repairs or other areas exposed to water. Sikaflex comes in 10-ounce containers that fit standard caulking guns. Simply squeeze the product into the crack and, thanks to its self-leveling quality. Recommendation number 2. Sashto 16210 Slab Concrete Crack Repair Sealant. Budget-friendly Sashto Slab Concrete Crack Repair is all about flexibility, stretching up to 3 times the width of the cracks it repairs. This sealant can handle cracks up to 3 inches wide on sidewalks, patios, driveways, floors, and other horizontal concrete surfaces. This 10-ounce tube of sealant fits in a standard caulking gun and flows easily, allowing users to squeeze it into small or large cracks without trowels or putty knives. Once cured, it remains elastic and flexible, preventing further damage from freeze-thaw cycles. Recommendation number 3. Radon Seal Concrete Foundation Crack Repair Kit. Filling concrete cracks in foundations often takes a specially designed product, and Radon Seal is a wise choice to get the job done. This repair kit uses epoxy and polyurethane foam to fix cracks up to 1/2 inch thick in basement foundations and concrete walls. This kit includes 2 tubes of polyurethane foam for filling the crack, injection ports for adhering over the crack, and 2-part epoxy for sealing the crack before injecting. There's enough material to fill cracks up to 10 linear feet long. The repair will prevent water, insects, and soil gases from penetrating the foundation. Recommendation number 4. Red Devil 644 Pre-Mixed Concrete Patch. When dealing with a large crack in concrete or a missing chunk of masonry material, repair might require a substantial product like Red Devil 644 Pre-Mixed Concrete Patch. This product comes in a 1-quart tub and it's premixed and ready for use. Red Devil Pre-Mixed Concrete Patch is suitable for large cracks in sidewalks, walkways, and patios, as well as vertical surfaces both indoors and out. Application simply requires the user to push it into the crack with a putty knife and smooth it along the surface. Recommendation number 5. Blue Star Flexible Concrete Crack Filler. Hairline cracks can be challenging, and they require a thinner liquid material to penetrate and seal off the gap. Blue Star's Flexible Concrete Crack Filler's liquid formula seeps into those skinny cracks to create a long-lasting repair that remains flexible in hot and cold weather. This 1-pound bottle of concrete crack filler is easy to apply. Simply remove the cap on the nozzle and squeeze the liquid over the crack before troweling it smooth with a putty knife. After it cures, users can paint it to match the concrete surfaces and rest assured that the repair will keep bugs, grass, and water from penetrating.